All right. I gotta see it at least. I've never seen this before. I'm talking about 218s in the trunk, never. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
This little car works.
I know. I like it.
Brand new fancy car, like a real Ram. Man, I'm trying to be smart.
You still demoing?
Yeah, I can. I don't know if you're gonna get 21 hertz right now, but
Oh no, I went to. Is it louder door open or closed?
it sounds louder door open. So I mean, you can shut it if you want to.
Okay.
I can put you in the hot seat.
Okay. So first, equipment and build info and your name. Go ahead.
Brendan Shockley. Got two Resonate Sound Platinum 18s in a 4th order in the trunk with a Salt 4K wired at quarter ohm. And yes, the back seat can still fold up into factory position.
So how are the 18s oriented to fit in the trunk like that?
Cones are facing towards each other and magnets are facing out.
Okay, got it. Yeah. You built the box? Okay. What were you tuned to?
Low.
Tune low?
No idea what spot specs or anything yet.
Yep.
That's
Okay. All right.
Think about the go-go's. Ain't nobody see me now. Riding around in my lows. Leave me a good hit of bass. Coming through your speakers like but I stopped doing that. Once I hit her with that dick, she don't know how to act. Blowing up a nigga phone, can you please fall back? Hey, Lord, just leave me down, I ain't got time for that. Like a weed, I like bad bitches, I can roll it up. And I'm riding left, hold me down no matter what they got. Sipping good, so please don't worry about what's in my coat. I sure that she on them drugs, so yeah, you know she down to fall. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Little bit, I wanna stay 100 and you kinda feel can't
He likes the lows, like you said, for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Are you happy with lows or highs? Lows. You like lows more? And it's windier and it feels a little different, yeah. Awesome. Appreciate the demo.
No problem.
Brandon, right?
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Brandon. Is there a way I can look into the box with my phone?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Just stick it back there.
All right. I gotta see it at least. I've never seen this before.
You've seen this.
I'm talking about 218s in the trunk, never. How's your amp handling the quarter ohm? It's not even that bad. So you got your, okay, so you got one there. That didn't hit my shirt, did it?
I don't know what it is. It hit something.
I don't know. Anyway. There you go. I wouldn't count.
I cut my thumb a little bit on it one time. So.
Wow. That's the only way you could have done that then. So you have a sub facing this way and that way.
Right.
Okay.
Remember he had one sub in here before?
Yeah, he used to have the 18. Now he's got two 18s.
Yep.
Wow. I don't know what that is. Thanks for showing me, man.
They won't worry about that. Takes up airspace at this point.
Yeah.
Definitely different from last time we came.
Did you build that in the box? Into the trunk? You did?
And that forward face is something I added on afterwards. So
Yeah.
I was actually stuck in the port for about half an hour with all the
Oh,
screws.
really? Hmm. Wow. And this is kind of just to help take some of the space up for pressure in case it leaks. Yeah. Awesome.
It all leaks back into the trunk anyways. So
Yep.
it's not sealed off.
That's true. That's a good idea. That's a brilliant idea. Not many people do that. Appreciate it, man.
I like taking niggas hoes, but I stopped doing that. Once I hit her with that dick, she don't know how to act. Blowing up a nigga phone, can you please fall back? Hey, Lord, just leave me down, I ain't got time for that. Like a weed, I like bad bitches, I can roll it up. And I'm riding left, hold me down no matter what they got. Sipping good, so please don't worry about what's in my coat. I sure that she on them drugs, so yeah, you know she down to fall. It's going down, it's going can't stop doing it. Once I hit her with that dick, she don't know how to act. Blowing up a nigga phone, can you please talk back? Hello, delete me. Like bad bitches, I get rolled it up. And I'm right on them, hold me down, no matter what they got. Slipping good, so please don't worry about what's in my coat. I go, and she on them drugs, so yeah, you know she down to fall. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Look at the past. Wanna stay 100 and you kinda feel can't
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.